What's up, guys? This is part two, 100% SPY trade. If you watched part one, remember, we loved seeing these bulls, but we wanted to enter using KTR. Now, KTR is when this alert returns 100%, typically it draws down to right here. Because this is blue, it means it has edge. It means that 40.80% win rate is statistically reliable, right? What you'll notice is KTR, and you can right-click on these to link the alert. If you right-click on the alert, boom, links it to where it fills. So you'll see the 591 call fills all the way down here. And if you remember, we set KTR for 133, and then we ended up adding one more contract to it just because this is at the low, baby. This is at the low, and if you look and see, the system actually picked it up at 119, and that's 140%. We got a little bit less because we were a little bit scared, but you can watch the whole video, see the process, and oh boy, we're going to be kicking ourselves if it keeps going up. Either way, two nice trades, two nice wins. That's how you use rigged AI. Well, the price of SPY nuked, and we actually ended up filling on the 591 call. You can see our average price is actually 130, which is right below the 133 that we originally set, and then we added one to the position and just bought $20 worth of 600 in case they YOLO 911 this thing all the way back up. We're going to set our stop loss slightly below. Take profit right here, 137%. We're going to click confirm. Place order. And then, should we move it higher? Kind of scared. You're sitting right at the strike right now, 591. Apparently Webull, you can't overlay option charts with price stock charts. Kind of silly. We'll just move this right to break even. So once again, we are in a no-lose situation. If we were trading more contracts, we'd probably take a little bit off at 20% and scale out of it. But because for this example, we're only in two, whatever happens, happens. And then, this is just a dumb YOLO at the bottom, probably not going to pay, but it's $20. It's beer money or no beer. And that's totally okay to do with money that is a pure lotto ticket. So we'll see what happens, and this will actually be part two of the video. Go up. Don't do it to us. You already found a new low today. Just fly now. Fly all the way back. 600 is a really stupid trade. That is a couple strikes above the blue line. Really only happened 9/11 last year. You can look it up on our app, totally free. That's one of the craziest sessions of all time, where we were down 8 and ended up going +8. This looks like it's going to lose again, which, the lesson there is, when you're trading against the trend, take the money and run. When we're this low, below the blue line, don't expect it to get to the blue. You want to short the rips. We'll see what happens. Gonna let this thing run to either 137% or nothing. But that's okay. No lose situation. And in the other, we're risking $20 for $1 million billion. All right, we are back, and this trade is rocking up 72%. We took off stop loss, take profit. What we're going to do now is Click close by stop loss, take profit, put one on. We're going to do 10% down from here and 100% higher. Boom, boom. Brackets in 194 all the way up to 430, which is probably a little bit too high. And we can bring that to like right here. Okay. Feel good about that one. We're going to do the same thing for the other contract that we have on. 120. And then what you can do in Webull, which is like really nice, is I can just click and drag this thing and just trail it manually. So we're just trailing this thing up a little bit because we're going to lock in at least, 70%-ish. 225, that's pretty good. So this went from being a break-even trade to up $200, which is great on 2 contracts. Rigged for a month, cost $99. All we did was enter this trade using KTR. Average price is 130. The first contract we sent was 133. And boom, right? It's happening. We're in it. Now, if we were above the blue line, would definitely keep this a little bit lower. But, we should probably at one take profit right here. Just because we believe the price will probably go back down. And then we'll move this up right about here. They love to liquidate people around even numbers. We'll just move right here. Oh, so one contract got stomped out, around 70% profit. That is excellent. We're going to keep this. 194 is pretty good. Let's do 195. 195. 397. So either way, we are not going to lose. We locked in our profit. Our days P&L on these 2 contracts, 72% currently. Obviously, that'll dip pretty substantially if we get down to here. But we feel good. We sold one contract, locked in our profit. We've got this one running right now. And we'd love to just move this up a little bit higher if we clear this area. Wish we could overlay SPY on top of this, because what you would see is this is just where a strike is. And it pulled back. Hopefully it doesn't happen this time around and we just keep going. We probably should lock in a little bit more, but we'll keep it. What was it, 195? I'll just click, 195. Just fly this thing, guys. Just rip it. Absolutely rip it. Right here is the 593 strike. And these are really the only levels you need to care about using rigged trading 0 DTE. If we can fly past this, 594 is like right here-ish. But we got to break through here. You don't break through here, we're coming back down. We're going to move it up. We're going to move it up. We're going to be a little bit of coward. Just lock in. Lock in the profit. Mostly because, hey, let me move this down. Oh, you can still see that. We still have this running. Our $20 to $1 million challenge that is definitely not going to hit or even come close. But we'll see what happens. The entire market looks absolutely terrible except for Apple, which is nuts because who's buying new iPhones? Crypto is literally falling off a cliff. Lord. But when you're using rigged, all we care about is intraday, where you are from the blue line, and what option flow tells us. Option flow was pretty good, telling us, hey, those bulls win at 40%. You want to use KTR, 130. That's only 3 cents below 133. That's pretty good for an entry. Now, if this gets stomped out, that's okay. Profits locked in. Feel good about it. Really excited to bring these real-world live examples to the YouTube page of using the system and profiting. I mean, Q's right at 513. It looks like it's going to break. When you're in a down move and you're breaking higher, man, just remember, if it nukes 3 strikes, it can go up 5 strikes because they absolutely love to crush people. Let's go look at the chart now. Ooh, this is looking good. This is looking good. So we're at 90% right now. This is close to a 100% trade. And we should probably just take it off right there. Come on. Just get to 100%, baby. Get to 100%. You can do it, SPY. 593. Let's go. 20 cents away. Tick tock, tick tock. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. We're going to move up. Again, if we were above the blue line, would keep this much lower. Hopefully it runs. Oh, we had it. We had it. Boom. There you have it. 100% trade using KTR. And oh man, we're even up 75%. Should have had more on these SPY calls. Hey, that's happy. Oh no, the take profit got hit. We didn't move. We were talking too much, too excited. Anyway, that's a 100% trade using rigged AI, doing 0 DTE. Let's look here. These charts are so wonky. Scroll. Go higher. Whoa, 175%. Whoa, 175%. Oh, down to 75%. We're just going to set our right. You think it's going to hit? Nah, let's just move it all the way up. Let's get absolutely silly with it. No loss here. 100% win on the other SPY trade. Absolutely beautiful.